This road don't forget. No, it don't. Gravel crunching under worn-out wheels, dust in my lungs, yeah, it's all I feel. Got a past riding shotgun, won't let me be. Every mile marker whispers back at me. Sun's going down on a crooked line, burning red like a warning sign. I traded love for a midnight run. Now I'm chasing ghosts I can't outrun. There's a voice in the engine, low and mean, saying, boy, you ain't who you used to be. These gravel road confessions rattling my soul tonight. Every sin, every lesson comes alive in the headlights. I was running from the truth back then. Now I'm begging for redemption on these gravel road confessions. There was a woman with eyes like rain, soft as mercy, strong through pain. I left her standing in a screen door light while I disappeared into the night. Yeah, I told myself I'd come back clean, but the world got rough, turned me mean. Now a memory's a haunting song, playing on loops where I went wrong. And the radio crackles like it knows my name. Every word's just a spark to the flame. These gravel road confessions rattling my bones so deep. Every lie I was dressing now refuses me sleep. I was blind to the love I had. Now I'm drowning in reflection on these gravel road confessions. If I could turn this wheel around, would I be lost to finally found? Or is this road my only friend, a broken path that never ends? I hear forgiveness in the wind, but I don't know where to begin. Dust settles slow on the life I chose. Ain't no map where a lost man goes. These gravel road confessions echo through the night so loud. Every scar, every question, standing tall, I ain't proud, but I'm still driving, still holding on through the weight of my Fire it up. Let the road decide. every mile's where I've always been. Dust kicks up from a restless soul. Ain't no map gonna make me whole. Got a name carved in broken lines. Left it back in another time. Hear that engine cry like a wounded heart. Every turn feels like a brand new start. The steel horse lament keeps me riding through the pain. Every mile I spend trying to outrun the rain. Yeah, I'm free, but I pay the cost. Every road's another loss. Still I ride, no regret, in this steel horse lament. There was love in a roadside bar. Felt like heaven didn't last too far. She said stay, don't chase that line, but the road's a call I can't decline. Left her standing in a neon glow. Watched her fade in my mirror slow. Now her memory rides with me like a ghost that won't let me be. And the night rolls in like a cold embrace. Every shadow's got her face. The steel horse lament echoes deep in my chest. Every promise I bet, every night without rest. Yeah, I run, but I can't escape. All the chances I left decay. Still I ride, still I chase, in this steel horse lament. If I slow down, will I fall apart? Or finally hear what's in my heart? Is freedom just a lonely chain, tied to miles and soaked in pain? But the throttle pulls me back again, like a sinner drawn to sin. Wind howls loud, like it knows my name. Every road just feels the same. The steel horse lament burns like fire in my veins. Every scar heaven sent, every mile remains. one's for the broken and the wild. Neon flickers on the cracked wood floor, boots drag slow through a swinging door. Bartender nods and knows my name, pours regret in a whiskey flame. Smoke hangs thick like a worn-out prayer. Ain't nobody here who really cares. Just lost souls in a jukebox fight, trying to drown what we did last night. Hear the thunder rolling through my veins. Every drop just fuels the pain. It's whiskey thunder nights, where the truth don't hide. Every wrong feels right, with a drink by your side. Yeah, we laugh, yeah, we fall, yeah, we burn through the fire, living hard down slow on these whiskey thunder nights. She walked in like a southern storm, long legs, danger in a fall, eyes like fire, lips like sin. So boy, you don't know where I've been. We danced close to a broken beat, two wild hearts in the summer heat. But